Hello friend, welcome to our YouTube channel Structure Design Hub, and this is our Etabs tutorial series 4, and in this tutorial we will learn how to import architecture and structure plan in a Etabs by using method 2, and method 1 I already explained in tutorial 3. So for this I am going to open our Etabs software version 20.2. So now I will click on File, New Model. Click on third option, use built-in setting with. Here display unit will be same as your architecture plan unit or structure plan unit. As in my plan I have a unit in so I will keep metric SI, and rest of the option you can change as per your country requirement like code and region, and click OK. And here it will ask for grid line, but we are directly going to import CAD file, so there is no need of grid line. So I will select blank page and click OK. Now I will close second window for more clarity, and I will click on file, import, and this is our second option, Dxf file of floor plan, and this is our first option for import Dxf DWG file of architecture plan. As you know, Dxf file of floor plan in which you can directly import uh, beam elements from AutoCAD file into the ETAB. As this system is best useful for beam slab system. You can also import beam slab system by using method 1, but there is some drawback. Let me show you how you will face problem in first method. As I have a structure plan, so as per method 3, I will select only beam layer and column layer by using command lay iso. Click on this beam layer and click on column layer and click enter, and select Ctrl C and paste into the new page. Control V, delete this unnecessary line. So now what I will do, as per tutorial 3, select this and convert into a single layer. Don't you know don't change into a zero layer, convert into a single layer. And also check that all colors should be in bilayer, line weight should be in bilayer, it's also in bilayer. Okay, now what we will do, we will just purge all item, close, and we will save it as a DXF file. I will keep name same, drawing number 7, and change it to DXF file version 2010. Now I will close this file and go to the ETAB file, import by using first method, drawing number 7. Okay, I will import it at story 1. Okay, so we will go at story 1. Here you will see our plan is imported, but here we have some issue. What is issue? If you draw to beam from this point to this point, this center point, and from this point to this point, and from this point to this point, and here you will see there is a difference between joint. And also when you try to draw column, what is the dimension of this column? It is 400. It is 400 by 750. So we need to make a property for this, for that section. Click on define section, frame section, add new property, concrete frame, and we will give the name 350 by 7, sorry, 400 by 7. I will keep material same, and here 750 by 400. Okay. Now click on column tab and property. In property section I will select 400 by 750. I will give angle 90 degree here, and now you will see that it will catch center point at this location. Now you will see that there is a difference between joints. For column joint located here, beam joint here, and this is and both these two beams joint is at this location. So as you know, it a work on joint the method in which all beams should be lie at column center joint. So that's why now you need to move column or beam to the center point. So it's become difficult and complicated. So that's why we use method 2 for modeling beams and column. For this, what we will do, we just simply go on to the our plan. So here I have a plan. So what we will do now, we just simply create a center line between these beam two lines. So for this I will use command offset enter, and it will ask for distance. So half of 300 is 150. Enter. Select the line and click inner side of the beam. Similarly for this beam, similarly for this beam. So similarly we will do for all beams, as I have already done this part here. So here you are seeing that I have created a center line at the mid of the beam. So now what we will do, we will just simply select our line and Control C and paste it to the other location, as I have already pasted here. So now what we will do with our center line, we will just join all the edges and corner of the this plan. So by using command F, enter, R, sorry, yeah, right, F, enter, R, enter, 0, enter. So click on click on click on first line, click on second line, and then for this we will extend the line. Ex enter, again enter, and again we need to join this line. Ex enter, enter. So select the line and stretch to the this location. And now for this line, Ex enter, enter. At this location, join the corner, F, enter. Don't need to type R again because we have already entered the value for R. So select only first line and second line. And for this line, Ex enter, enter, enter. Similarly, we have joined all the edges and corner of this plan, and after that it will look like this. So now what we will do, we will just simply copy our plan and change the layer. Now It should be noted that now we will convert it into the zero layer. If you in this second method you can change into the zero layer, it will not create a issue in Etab. But by using first method, you should note it that you can use all layer except this layer. So also line color should be by layer, line weight should be in by layer, and line type should be in also in by layer. So now what we will do, we will just simply copy Control C and paste it into the new file like this. So now what we will do, we will just explode the entire plan by using command X, enter, select, enter. Now we will use command purge, P-U-R-G-E, purge, enter, purge all items and close. Now save as the file into Dxf format. Drawing 8, this is the name of this file, drawing 8. You can change as per your requirement and save. So now we will close the file. Now we will open new model, use this as our unit in mm, so I will use metric SI, and these are the function you can change as per your requirement. Click OK, use blank page, OK. Now click on file, import, and Dxf file of floor plan 8 and open. Here, as you know, I have model only beam. I have dropped beam in a CAD file, so I will select here only beam, and which is in zero layer. OK. Direction Z, unit in mm. OK. And story level, I will keep it at 1. Here you can also change the beam property for that line. As I haven't any assign any define any property of beam, so it is taking by default. If you have already defined beam like 300 by 600, 300 by 600, or 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 250 by 500, then what you can do, you can just simply in a drop down menu, you can just simply select your beam size. But at the time I haven't defined any beam, so that is it is taking by default. Click OK, and it will ask for save your file. So I'm going to save this file as a name. Save. Go to the first floor. You know, I have pasted it at first. So here you are seeing I have directly imported beam component. There is no need of tracing. So now what you can do, you can just simply define your section, frame section, add new property, beam, b 300 by 600, depth of beam 300 or 600, sorry, 300, and modify. Here you need to select beam. Or in a later video I will explain all these options, but here I will select only beam. OK and OK. And for column, add new property. What is our column size? 4 400 by 750. So see 400 by 750, 750 or 400. Ah, okay, it is already marked on column. Okay, we have defined beam and column. So now what we will do by using assign, frame, section property and beam. Sorry, for this you need to select the beam, na? So what I will do, I will just open the drawing in a same window. Now here I will assign by using CAD file. So this entire beam is 300 by 600. What I will do is just select this beam, this beam, this beam, this beam, this beam, assign, frame, section property and 300 by 600. Similarly you can assign all the beam with 300 by 600 or with different beam size. Now we will draw model column. So here we have a column, so I will select column tab, quick draw column. Here in drop down menu I will select column C 400 by 750 and now I will draw column here, here, here. Mm, Here it is in 90-degree angle, 90 degree. So here you can see how much easy is it by using this method. So now we will assign slab. So for this you need to define slab section, slab. I will add new property slab 200, 200. Okay, I'm keeping the sub property same. Okay, now by using slab option, draw floor. Here our structure system is form. So now you can just replicate it to the all floor by select all floor, go to the edit command, edit option and replicate option. Here story, and here you can replicate it to the other floor. Okay, see it into the 3D form. Now you are saying that our structure system in 3D structure system is form by using method 2, by importing method 2. So now our tutorial is over. If you like my tutorial, then please like my video, subscribe my video and share my video so that it will help and motivate me to make more knowledgeable video like this. Thank you.